Hey everyone. Today we're going to explore how to watch and interact with TikTok live streams on your PC. As of 2025, TikTok has made it super easy to join the fun from your computer. First, open your favorite web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari and go to TikTok.com. Log into your TikTok account. If you don't have one, it's quick to create. Once you're logged in, look for the Live tab on the homepage or use the search bar to find specific creators or hashtags like @TikTok Live or Live Now. Click on any live video thumbnail to start watching. The video will play automatically. You can adjust the volume, switch to full screen, and even change the video quality using the player controls. Key takeaway: watching TikTok live on PC is now seamless and offers great video quality. Now, let's talk about how to interact with TikTok live streams on your PC. Interacting is a great way to engage with the creator and other viewers. To send a comment, simply type in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Your comment will appear instantly for everyone to see. You can also use reactions. Click the heart like button or send emoji reactions like hearts or laughs. If the host has enabled them, you might also be able to participate in polls, Q&A sessions, or even duet challenges. Some users can even send virtual gifts purchased with TikTok coins to creators they want to support. Always remember to respect the community guidelines. Avoid spam or harassment to ensure a positive experience for everyone. Key takeaway: interacting on TikTok Live on PC is easy and enhances the viewing experience.